Have you ever had a strange feeling that something bad was about to happen? Like a shiver down your spine, or an uneasy feeling in the pit of your stomach? What if I told you that those feelings, those signs, might be more than just your imagination? For centuries, people have believed that certain events, certain omens could foretell a dark fate. Some dismiss them as mere superstitions, but others believe they hold a terrifying truth. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of the unknown to explore 4 ominous signs that some believe foreshadow a bad death. Are you brave enough to face them? Imagine this. It's the dead of night. The clock strikes 12, and everything is silent. You're walking alone, the only sound your own footsteps echoing on the empty street. Suddenly, you see it. A pair of glowing eyes in the darkness. A black cat emerges from the shadows, its sleek coat blending with the night. It stares at you, unblinking, before disappearing into the darkness as quickly as it appeared. This isn't just any cat. This is a harbinger, a creature of the night, and its appearance at this hour is no accident. For centuries, black cats have been linked to witchcraft, bad luck, and even death itself. Some believe that encountering a black cat at midnight is a sign that your time is running out, that the Grim Reaper himself is watching, waiting for the right moment to strike. But is it just a superstition? Or is there something more to this ancient belief? Keep watching, because what you don't know could be the death of you. The night is alive with the sounds of nature. Crickets chirp, leaves rustle in the breeze, and somewhere in the distance, an owl hoots. 1 hoot, 2 hoots. It stops. You hold your breath, listening for another. Silence. Then a 3rd hoot pierces the night, sending a chill down your spine. Owls, with their haunting calls and nocturnal habits, have long been associated with the spirit world. In many cultures, they are seen as messengers, their hoots carrying warnings from beyond the grave. Hearing an owl hoot 3 times, especially at night, is considered a particularly bad omen. Some believe it signifies that death is near, that the owl is calling your soul to the other side. Others say it's a warning of impending danger, a sign that something sinister is lurking nearby. Whatever the interpretation, one thing is certain: the owl's call is not to be ignored. Chapter 3: Shattered Reflections. You're walking through your home when you hear a crash. Your heart skips a beat as you rush to the source of the sound. There, lying shattered on the floor, is a mirror. Mirrors, with their reflective surfaces, have always held a certain mystique. They are said to be portals to other realms, reflections of our souls, and even gateways for spirits to enter our world. Breaking a mirror is considered a grave misfortune, a surefire way to invite 7 years of bad luck. But some believe the consequences are far more dire than just a few years of misfortune. They say that a broken mirror can shatter your soul, leaving you vulnerable to dark forces. Others believe it's a sign that death is knocking at your door, that your reflection has been broken, signaling the end of your time in this world. Chapter 4: The Dream of Death. You close your eyes, drifting off to sleep. But tonight, your dreams take a sinister turn. You find yourself in a dark and unfamiliar place, a sense of dread washing over you. And then you see it, your own death. Dreams have always been a source of mystery and fascination. Some believe they are nothing more than random firings of our subconscious minds, but others believe they hold deeper meaning, that they are messages from our subconscious, warnings from the universe, or even glimpses into the future. Dreaming of your own death is a particularly unsettling experience, one that can leave you feeling shaken and disturbed. Some believe it's a sign that your time is running out, that your subconscious is preparing you for the inevitable. Others interpret it as a warning to change your ways, to make the most of the time you have left. Whatever the interpretation, one thing is certain: a dream of your own death is a powerful omen, one that should not be ignored. These are just a few of the many ominous signs that some believe foreshadow a bad death. While it's important to remember that these are just beliefs, superstitions passed down through generations, it's hard to ignore the chilling feeling they evoke. Perhaps there's more to these signs than meets the eye. Perhaps they are messages from our subconscious, warnings from the universe, or even glimpses into the future. Or maybe, just maybe, they're nothing more than our deepest fears taking shape. What do you think? Have you ever experienced any of these signs? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And remember, be aware of these signs. Stay safe, everyone.